Welcome back, guys. Now the time is 7:56. Here is railway station of Haflong, Limassol. It's a very beautiful railway station in the district. Now means I'm going here for to drop sound, one of the best sound engineer in the district, who is Mr. Gin Hongsai, my own villager. Yeah. So guys, they're over there, the very far, like you can see over there. There what to say, birthday party celebration going there, and he is the mic operator, the sound operator, the electric operator. So I dropped him and I'm coming back some distance from the station to look a good view. Here is the beautiful station in the district, Limassol. This is my gari. Here is my auto. Cannot be seen. It's too dark. Here I am alone, very alone. Born alone. Going here and there alone. So guys, this much is our video tonight. See you. Bye bye.